Hey there! First of all, let me thank you for choosing this video to watch. So today we are going to bring you 3 applications that we think are helpful in investing. The first one is BBull, the second one is Vested, the third one is GuruFocus. One of these applications is helpful when valuing stocks and analyzing them. The other two actually help you in investing. So I hope you enjoy this video and you stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. So the first one on the list is BBull. Let's get to it. This one right here is so without opening, this is my watch list. Look at the bottom side, it's the markets. At the bottom you can see the deposit option, news, gives you everything, menu. Now why do I love this application? Okay, first of all, if you want to trade using this application, you're gonna have to make your deposit. If you're living in India, you have to make a deposit using the wire transfer option. So you'll have to go to net banking and deposit money through net banking using this option, make a wire transfer. ACH is for those living in the US, so you can still do that. Now the things I love about this application are this. Not only does it give you the region-wise details, you can also find a lot many things like the IPO center right here in the bottom screen right here, in the middle. So earnings, marginable, these are many functions. You have to go in, and I cannot explain every single one of them right now, but my favorite one as such is the screener option, which helps me pick stocks. Now, apart from the wealth, this one in the first place, rest two were already there. So what did I do with wealth? There were some filters. I just put region, let's say India, dividend yield 8% to 40%, net margin 5% to 75%. Now what is net margin? It's the margin that is left after everything is done, whatever the profit is made after deducting all the expenses. Dividend yield meaning if you invested $100 today in shares of a company, if the dividend yield is 10%, you will get $10 every year. Okay, so let's just go on, and analyst rating, buy or strong buy, that is what was selected, and I just saved it. So I got, let's say, 26 stocks here in the Indian markets, and look at this, it gives me price right here, so I can just filter top to bottom or bottom to top, whatever it is, and then I can also look at the dividend yields here. So that way what I can do is also go with dividend yields. On the other hand, if your objective is different, if you want more dividends, cash flows, you can go with dividend yields. Look at this, India Bulls is paying 23% dividends annually. I mean, that's crazy. You invest $100, you get $23 back every year. Crazy, right? But the problem with this kind of yield is it cannot be maintained every year. That is the problem companies face. So when you look for these stocks, ensure this is just the start. Okay, once you pick a stock you want to check out, use this application, take a handful of stocks, and then go analyze them. Now I'll also be putting another application in this video that I use for analyzing these stocks. Okay, so you can use that, and it's also a free service. It can also be paid for and get the premium features for, but I'll just get to it soon. So this is India Bulls and then ONGCA. Look at that. So dividend yields are pretty good. So if I was actually, to be honest, I would go with something like this, NMDC Limited, having let's say 10% dividend yield but better margins than the rest. Because along with the dividends, what happens is if somebody pays higher dividends, the growth in the share price is very low because it pays dividends. So this is a company that has balance between the share price growth and also has dividends because it has good margins, right? So I'll benefit from both of them. So I'll try to probably analyze this stock, but look at this, 73 rupees. That's roughly $1, right? So I just deposited $400 in this account, and it has yet to be processed. The foreign transfer is yet to be made. The remittance, once it's through, I'll get it on this account, and then I'll show you what it is like to use this application. Overall, I love this application. It is just like the Robinhood application there in the US, but in India you can see much more things. So it is also available in much more country stocks. So if I modify filters and go to US, look at these many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these are available in which you can trade. So just let it be for now. And this is BBull, and this is the application you can use for trading. If I go to any stock, let's say over here, the first one, whatever is there, gives you all the action here. Then at the same time some news that is there over here, the analysis that it has, a strong buy 100% based on 2 analysts, then press releases, financials, profile, everything, right? I think this is a really great option, and this is a really great thing to go for. So I highly recommend you go and download this application and register and go on with the next application. The next one that we have on the list is Vested. Now this application lets Indians invest in US stocks, and again you have to deposit money here and then go on to trade. So there are already handpicked industries like SaaS or Moat, many of them. So you can just go on and check it out. But the only drawback here is they don't have a lot of stocks and a lot of information for every stock. So you can just search for them, you'll find what you want, or you won't find if it's not there. So let's just go to Auto.Cannabis and you will see there's not as much information as BBull provides. So this is another good initiative by Vested, that they're letting you invest in US stocks as Indians. But you can also do that through BBull. It's just that BBull is not heavily marketing that. So if you have a YouTube ad, if you're watching a YouTube channel, if you've searched a lot for investing in the US on Google, it's going to give you the ad for Vested, and that's how I got to know and I downloaded this application. Just check it out. I haven't deposited money here, but they're giving $10 for funding your account for the first time. So that's BBull and Vested. Now coming to the next application we have on our list is GuruFocus. This is the one I use for researching and understanding whether a stock is good, and this is the application I use for valuing stocks. Now I'm going to go and look for Tesla here. So this is the mobile application and is not as great as the website, so I recommend and check the website out because that's a much better one. And this is all just data here that lets you understand. So how the website looks. Yeah, so if you look at this, right here is a website and having Tesla information over here. So it's not at all going to be something that you'll notice easily, but once you start scrolling down, you see a lot of information here. Now, this is the premium version, which is why I have a lot of data here from December 2007 to trailing 12 months. If you don't have the premium version, you won't get the trailing 12 months data. We can find that from various sources like Yahoo Finance, or you can calculate that on your own, not a big deal. So if I go to the revenues, let's say Tesla, look at the revenues growing here, someone would be happy. Then look at the operating margins being negative, and then net margins would be even further more dropping down. So it's not at all nice thing. Why is this company still priced so heavily? Tesla's stock price is $800 around. So why? You have to value it, right? So back when people were valuing it and find it to be something really cheap, and still valued at something so high, people were about to short it. And then this is because of the COVID-19. So even if I had some money, I would have gone in, but I didn't have that kind of money, nor did I had access to BBull at that time, and BBull was something I recently downloaded. So that is something great to happen. So GuruFocus.com is something that will help you find a lot of data for your company. If you have the premium version, it will also show you some severe warning signs that they're there for the company, and it's just something you may need, but it's not something I recommend buying unless you're rich or something. But it's not going to help you much from the free one. It's really great actually, but it's not going to be a very great value addition from the one that is already there for free. So this is about the applications I use. And most importantly, if you want to invest right now, be careful where you put your money. Try to invest in companies that are recession proof, COVID proof, and actually benefit from the COVID-19, or maybe just benefit from the side effects or against the COVID-19, or they just help in countering the disease. So try investing in pharma companies that are not so greatly valued or something that's undervalued. So this is about how I've been investing, and this is what I think are good tools to use for investing right now in this crucial situation. So thank you for watching this video till the end. And if you liked this content and think you could watch more of this content and would love it, please leave a like and let me know. And if you love the content already, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. This is Wealth Workout.